you tied their hands behind their back.
So I want to make it very clear, there were no, I repeat, no restrictions on us. Full freedom was given to us to plan and execute.
The government of India informed the government of Pakistan that we have no political will. We don't want to fight. We have done this. Meaning you went into Pakistan, you attacked Pakistan, and you told our pilots, do not attack their air defense system. Meaning you told our pilots, go and attack and face the air defense system of Pakistan. Meaning you tied their hands behind their back.
Because I was there listening to everybody, attending every meeting. There was very clear political will, very clear directions which were given to us, and there were no kind of restrictions which were put on it. Many people have spoken somewhere. Unfortunately, everybody is speaking about it. कि कुछ ना कुछ मैं बोल दूंगा इस बारे में. So there have been talks about, was there any restriction? Were you kept constrained? If there were any constraints, they were self-made. We, the forces, decided what will be our rules of engagement.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर नाम सुनने में देशभक्ति का लगता है, लेकिन असल में ये सिर्फ मीडिया पर किया सरकार का एक तमाशा था. कोई नहीं बता रहा है कि इस ऑपरेशन में हासिल क्या हुआ, कितने आतंकी पकड़े गए, हमारे कितने फाइटर जेट्स गिराए गए, कौन जिम्मेदार है, कौन किसकी गलती है. इसका हिसाब देने का दायित्व इस सरकार का है.
Mostly from, I'm talking about fighter aircraft are from S-400. We have at least 5 fighters confirmed kills and 1 large aircraft, which could be either an Elint aircraft or an AEW&C aircraft, which was taken on at a distance of about 300 kilometers. This is the actually largest ever recorded surface-to-air kill that we can talk about.
जैसा कि पहलगाम हमला 22 अप्रैल को हुआ था, अब तक आतंकवादी पकड़े तो नहीं गए, लेकिन हुआ क्या?
So here you can see the damage, which is of course not coming out very clear in this, but other pictures. Here these 2 buildings, you can see the damage much clearly. Again, another big set of buildings, and you see the damage that is coming out. What I can show you here is there's hardly any collateral that you see. Of course, from that distance it is not very easy to make out, but still all the adjacent buildings are fairly intact.
कुल मिलाकर कल जो ऑपरेशन हुआ, इसमें हमारे निर्दोष नागरिकों को मारने वाले तीनों आतंकी मौत के घाट उतार दिए।